Hey y'all, it is me Xureila and I'm back with another wig review video. So today's wig is by Amanda Hair. Everything about this hair will be linked down below, so please go check them out. This is a curly lace front wig and it is so cute. I love it. I decided to do a middle part like I always do because I just love middle parts and I just love these curls. They were so soft and pretty. And yeah, so everything about this hair will be linked down below. Go check them out.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, carry teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Places like I do. My place like you do. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive, you getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my pull up, I'm outside, yeah. Waiting by the curb, too upset to drive it.